If you've ever opened Microsoft Edge and accidentally ended up in split screen mode, or you simply want to turn it off for a cleaner browsing experience, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to disable split screen in Edge in just a few quick steps. It's simple, it's fast, and you don't need any technical experience to follow along. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look for the three dot menu in the top right corner of the browser window and click it. This opens the main settings and options menu. From there, click on settings. This will take you into the full Edge settings page where you can control the browser's appearance, privacy, behavior, and features. On the left-hand side, find and click appearance. This section is where Microsoft Edge keeps visual and interface options, including layout settings and display-related features. Now scroll through the appearance settings until you find browser behavior and features. Click on that option to open the related settings. Inside this section, you should see a toggle labeled Enable Split Screen. This is the feature that allows Edge to show two pages side by side in one window. If you want to disable split screen, simply toggle Enable Split Screen off. Once the toggle is off, Edge will no longer use the split screen feature by default. In some cases, the browser may ask you to restart for the change to fully take effect. If that happens, just close and reopen Microsoft Edge, or click the restart option if it appears. After restarting, split screen should now be disabled. You can test it by opening a page and checking that the split screen option no longer appears the same way it did before. And that's it. You've successfully disabled split screen in Microsoft Edge. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more quick browser tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.